Good morning. This is homework number 10. I had several of you ask about question number 7, so we'll take a look at it. So in question number 7, I'm given the sum. I know the sum is 13,050. I know how many numbers are in this series, and so I would take 50 and divide it by 2 to get the number of pairs. I know A1. I do not know A of 50. My goal is to find D. Well, think about it. If I need to find the common difference, I need 2 ordered pairs. So I have one of those, 116. And then I know that N is 50. I need to find A sub 50. That would then allow me to find the common difference. And so I'm going to go ahead and solve for A sub 50. So 13,050 will equal 25. I'm going to go ahead and divide that by 25, 13,050 divided by 25. And subtract 16. Whoops. So I'm getting that A of 50 is 506. So now that I know that, I can find the common difference. So A sub 50, 506 minus 16 over 50 minus 1. So I'm getting 490 over 49, which is 10. So I'm getting a common difference of 10. As someone said on the responses that they didn't get the same answer key as the number 7 on the front, but I'm seeing the answer key says it's 10. On part B, that's kind of up to you guys. That's how we're gonna start off tomorrow, is put you in some groups. And some of you guys asked some good questions. And the thing is, I think this problem could kind of depend on how you interpret it. So if you're looking at part B, yes, you need to do it, but that's gonna start off on how we figure out tomorrow. So let me get you started on maybe a problem like 5 or 6. So someone asked about 5. Again, you know the sum here. You can figure out how many pairs. You don't know A1. And here you would also need A12. So you have 2 unknowns. So I'm going to come down to the bottom and write another equation. And so my other equation, I know 1 correlates to A1. And 12 will correlate to A sub 12. So this is actually very similar to the problem that we did in our notes yesterday. So if I set this up using point slope, A sub 12 minus A1 will equal D, which is 4, times 12 minus 1. So A sub 12 minus A sub 1 will equal 4 times 11, so 44. So what I can do is I can solve for one of these variables. So maybe A sub 12 equals 44. Plus A1, and then I'm going to plug that in here. Okay, so I'm going to let you finish that problem out. Look at your notes from yesterday. We did one exactly like it. So as I look at number 6, someone asked about number 6. It says, I'm going to kind of come up here to find A sub 40. Well, I know N is 40, so the number of pairs would be 40 over 2. I know A1 is 17. What I don't know yet is what A sub 40 is, but do I have enough information to find what A sub 40 is? I do. I know that I have the ordered pair, 117, and the common difference is 4. So I can use point slope form to find A sub 40. So if I find A sub 40, I can then plug it in and find the sum. So see if you can get it from there.